Azure Database for MySQL offers a fully managed, enterprise-ready database as a service with intelligent features. Customers migrating to Azure can choose between Azure VMs with MySQL or the Platform as a Service Azure Database for MySQL. Platform as a Service provides the most automation as Microsoft manages backups, patching, scaling, and infrastructure. Intelligent performance and security features are built in, reducing your administrative overhead. MySQL workloads can be migrated to Azure Database for MySQL from on-premises, Azure VMs, or other cloud environments. Supported versions include MySQL 5.7 and 8 running on Linux VMs or physical servers. Migration can occur over the internet or via ExpressRoute for secure, high-bandwidth connectivity. Azure Database for MySQL Flexible Server supports both lift and shift and modernization scenarios. Azure Migrate will discover MySQL instances and collect software inventory and configuration data. Deep Discovery connects to MySQL instances to gather performance metrics and usage patterns. Readiness checks will identify compatibility issues and assess migration feasibility. Sizing recommendations help right-size compute and storage for Azure Database for MySQL. And total cost of ownership analysis supports building a business case for migrating from on-prem MySQL instances to Azure. In terms of MySQL migration options, Azure Database Migration Service supports logical and physical migrations for datasets of any size. Database Migration Service is ideal for datasets up to 4 terabytes, supporting both online and offline modes. Database Migration Service Physical enables online migration for large datasets using MySQL Native Sync. Azure MySQL Import CLI and third-party tools such as MySQL Dump, MyDumper, MyLoader, and Workbench offer additional flexibility. Azure recommends the Database Migration Service for most scenarios due to scalability, reliability, and enterprise support. This session is part of a broader migration and modernization virtual training day that is being run by Microsoft. I hope you found it informative, and I will see you in the next video.